how to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. At first, open up your Instagram app, tap on your profile picture at the bottom. Now hit the three-line menu at the top. Scroll down a little and tap on account privacy. Here's the thing, Instagram only gives this option in certain regions. If you have it, you'll see a toggle to disable profile picture zoom. Just turn it off and you are good to go. And that's the only real way to do this. All those other tricks floating around the internet, they don't work. That's it. It's a quick and simple guide.